Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with Ani. So in this tutorial we will learn how to make a main menu system in Unity. So we'll go to Unity and we'll make a new scene, name it main menu. I've created one already. So we would create just a UI and canvas like this. I've already created one. So here's mine. We would go and create a UI image. This is my background image. We have to stretch it to full, and I've downloaded a pic from Google, wallpaper for game. You could get any, and I have an animator also that's not needed also. So we would now create a panel. Could canvas UI and panel like this. So I already made one. Could get it color transparent. So I've already made one, so I will open that main panel. So here we would go to UI and create a new button. The button we could set it convenience like this. Would delete the text and we could take like I have some UIs blue, green, orange, pink. So I would use green here, and we could name it as play also and create a new text like this and name it play, and here also play, and we could change the font to like 25, make it overflow. I could increase it as your convenience, so we could just adjust the play text also, and yeah, it made it. We would go to our on click function and drag drop the main panel, and we would disable this game object, set active bool, and we would disable it. So when we would click on it, it will disable our main panel like this, because our game will be loading. So we would create a new object. Could go to canvas, create UI, and we could go for a slider. So I already have one. So I have created one more panel for it, a loading screen. I could canvas, UI, and new panel like this. I have made it one loading screen. I would disable the main panel right now and on the loading screen one. So here's my loading one. So I have chosen this only, wallpaper for game, and I gone to color and brought a bluish color here, and then I have created here a slider. So here the slider, I've made the value of it to 1 1. So here I also added a text. Here's the text. I've made it loading. Fill area means the area which is here will be filled, and background means the red color which is there. Fill area also we have the blue color. Could change it to any. So I have made it this slider and loading screen. So we would create a new empty object now. Here's my empty object. This enable this loading so right now, and in this I have made it a script. So let me show you the script. Yeah. So I have named it loading bar, and we would create a public game object loading scene, public slider, public text loading text, and void load level function. In this we would load the level in which it is in our build settings. So I would tell you that also next. So in this we are loading the next scene and enabling the slider value. And here we have void quit game and update. So we would go back to our Unity. So here we would go back to our Unity and drag and drop our script here. I would provide the link in the description for the script also. So we would drag our loading screen panel here, for slider here, our text is in the fill area loading one, would drag and drop there, and we would go back to our main panel now, disable this loading screen and we would go to main panel, enable it, and the play button we are having right now. In this we would add a new function in which we will drag and drop our empty game object loading bar, new function loading bar and load level. So now we would go to our build setting, we would add the scenes we want here. I've added these two and we will see the int here. So it's 1 for the level 1. So we would change it to level 1. So it will load the level 1. So this is for our one button. We could make more buttons, like I have made a about button. So I disabled the main panel and created a new panel called about, like the main panel. So here's my about panel, just written what's made by this and the version info. In about panel there's nothing much, and the back button for disabling the about and enabling the main menu. So I would disable this, like this I made button. So first of all, check, let's us check that it's working or not. So go for the play button, it's loading. Hopefully it will load. Complete its loading and start the new level. So it's loaded 100%. It's lagging a little bit right now because I have opened many things on my computer. So it will load the level 1 now. So it's loading the level 1. So level 1. Here we are. Shoot there. Reload. Like this. Since our main menu controller is working nicely. Disable the about, and I could show you some more buttons. In quit button we have to drag and drop and make it loading bar quit game, which we have made the function. Disable this button and enable my play button, like this. Made it start and the thing is there. Forward loading bar, load level. Oh, let's check with this also. So it's loading. Loaded. Let me show you my all the buttons. So here are my buttons. Let me show how are they working. About this game, add the details and back, settings. I have nothing added to settings. controls also I have added here, and fashion I will tell about this later on in the videos. So friends, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and also comment how you like the video, and if you have any doubt you could comment there.